Hi there! Looking for a complete wood pellet production solution? This is our complete wood pellet production line, covering every step from raw wood processing to finished pellet packing. To start, logs and mixed timber are crushed into small wood chips. The chips are then fed into a hammer mill and grounded into fine sawdust. Sawdust with moisture above 20% will pass through a rotary dryer to achieve the optimal moisture for pelleting. This drying system relies on a biomass combustion furnace and complete hot air ducts to produce steady high-temperature hot air. Uniform drying strips excess moisture out of sawdust, bringing the material to the ideal moisture level for firm pellets and trouble-free pelleting. Pelletizing is the heart of the entire line. Our vertical ring die pellet mill offers large output and high automation. Fresh pellets are sent to storage silos, then automatically weighed and sealed by the packing machine for delivery. As a professional manufacturer of complete pellet production lines, we are at your service. If you have raw materials and want to make wood pellets, please don't hesitate to contact us anytime.